Hello, welcome to the shop. Thanks for stopping by. I've been watching the Facebook groups recently and noticed a lot of people are having issues getting the nano rotary system to work properly with LightBurn. It's actually very easy, but it's also very easy to miss a step or not quite understand what it's trying to tell you. Very easy to hook up. You've got your nano lifting base. You've got the height adapter, or the riser they call it, and the laser head. You've got the rotary system, which is connected by the yellow cable. The lifting head, of course, is connected by the blue cable. And then your red cable goes to your computer. You get everything in. You get your cup in so it is level, or whatever cylinder is you're turning. Then you go over the LightBurn. A lot of people are having an issue, can't get it to operate properly. So I'm going to show you how to do it. Now, when I got the Nano, it came with a SD card that had a profile on it for LightBurn. And I imported the profile in, and that put the basic Nano in LightBurn the way it should be. But what I did, I went and imported it 3 times. So I set one up as the Nano Pro, which is just using the Nano. I've got one program for the Nano Slide, which is for the slide table. And I've got another profile in there for the Nano Rotary, like you see it here. The reason I did that is because when you switch from piece to piece to piece, you always have to go up under device settings and change the height. And I kept forgetting to change the height back, and it was causing me an issue. Like for the standard Nano, it's 100 by 100. If you're using the slide, it's 100 with a height of 300. For the rotary, it's 100 with a height of 480. So I programmed it in there 3 separate times so I didn't have to mess with anything. Everything was right where I wanted it. And that was over and done with. I didn't have to mess with it. So I'm going to set it up for the rotary. Got it in there. Now you don't go up to where it says rotary setup. You don't want to go up here. This has nothing to do with this particular rotary. If you've got the Ray 5 or the B1, you would use this section here. But for the Nano, you do not use this. Stay out of it. Go over here where it says switch rotary extension. Right click on that. And its top line here, nano slash work slash work piece equals 86. That 86 is the diameter of the cup I am turning today. It's 3 3/8 diameter. So I took 3.375 and converted that over to millimeters, which is 85.7 something or other. So I just set it at 86. So you put your diameter in there. Then you want to left click on it. And then now it tells us that we are set up. It's set the workpiece set height to 86.00. We're now ready to go. Now to make sure, we want to hit frame. And if you have problems framing and you cannot see the blue dot, let me go back up here to edit, go to device settings, and hit laser on when framing, set it at 2%. And what that's going to do is allow you to see the blue light when it's framing. Now we want to hit frame. As you can see, the cup's turning. And the blue light is now down here. It's going to go around the cup, or the cup's going to go around. Now it goes back up to the top side of the cup, and the cup's going to rotate back the other direction. And what I did to make sure I got everything all the way around the cup the way I wanted it, I took a black Sharpie and I put a mark on the bottom of the cup that's straight up. In LightBurn, I made a rectangle just a little bit bigger than the objects I'm wanting to burn into the cup. And I slowly lengthened that rectangle until when I framed, it went all the way around the cup and came back to the exact same spot before it reversed. So I made sure that it wrapped all the way around the cup. So now I could turn that off, turn on the items that I want to burn, and I got my logo. It says Longer 3D. It's got a couple images of a laser burning, and then it says Nano, B1, and Ray 5. So we'll frame one more time, make sure I haven't knocked something out of place. Now I've got this set at 3,500 millimeters per minute at 100% power because I want it to burn completely through the powder coat. Pardon me if you can hear the furnace come on in the back. Now I got to put my safety glasses on. All right, so we now are set, ready to go. And I'll show you what this is like when it's done. All right, we're almost done here. Just a few more seconds and it'll shut off. And there we have it. But there we have the cup. Engraved all four sides, or all the way around. My spacing on this is just off just a little bit, but that works. You can see how easy it actually is. Just remember how to set everything up in LightBurn, and the system works great for you. Turn everything off. You don't have any issues if you do it the way I did it. Just got to remember, you right click where it says switch rotary, put the diameter of your cylinder in it, save it, then left click on it, frame it all up however you want to frame it, and then burn it. You're good to go. It's quick, it's easy, and it's painless. It's not as hard as people make it out to be. So if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me, Pruitt Woodworking, Instagram, here on YouTube, Pruitt Custom Furniture on Facebook, Pruitt Woodworking on TikTok. I'll gladly help anybody out if you reach out to me. Please like, subscribe, follow along. We're going to be doing very soon complete videos, start to finish, on how to set these things up, get them working with the app, everything you need to know. So thanks for watching.